Hey guys, today I wanted to share with you more of a casual chit-chatty video, and this is my daily makeup routine using natural / cruelty-free products. So if you're interested to see what products I use on my face every day and in most of my videos, then keep watching. If you're new here, my name is Jade and this is my channel Living Unjaded, where I talk about an eco lifestyle and everything that falls under that category, including natural beauty or DIYs, my low waste journey, and minimalism. And I'm currently doing an April Earth Month challenge where I'm uploading a video every single day in the month of April. So if you'd like to see more videos, then make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. So the first thing I start with is this 14E Cosmetics sheer tint. This is in the shade Sunkissed, and it's a little too dark for me right now, so I just kind of mix it with this lotion that I'm trying to use up. Okay, so excuse me, I'm using the viewfinder as my mirror for this part, so I'm probably gonna have to go back and blend this out better. So I really wanted to try 14E for like a long time, and I'm glad I finally did. I really like it. I think it gives like a really natural finish and kind of like a dewy look. What I don't like about it is the smell, which is I guess kind of like a weird thing to not like about a foundation, but I just think it smells kind of weird. It says that it has like lavender in it. I don't know if there's something else in there that like smells weird. I don't know. It doesn't smell the best to me, but the smell also like doesn't linger all day, just when you first apply it. So after I'm like done with my foundation, I do my eyebrows. If you watched my minimalist makeup collection, which I'll link in the cards and at the end of this video so that you can watch it after this one, this is the same like quad that I'm trying to use up, and it's just a Botanics mineral eye color in the color golden brown, and it's just like a matte brown, a shimmery brown, gold, and like a highlight color. I just use this matte brown. I'm just barely hitting pan on this, which is exciting because I kind of want to try either making my own makeup, which I tried when I first found out about like all the stuff in makeup, but it's kind of hard to make your own. And if I can't make my own eyeshadow or like eyebrow powder, then I think I want to try the E.L.F brow like wax that they have. And I mean, I'm not like an expert at makeup, so I just do the best that I can with my brows. After I'm done with my brows, I do eyes, and for everyday makeup, I don't always do like bronzer or blush. But I do use the Sculpt and Glow Contour Duo by Lolo, and this is a vegan company. And I use the highlight all over my lid, and then I use the bronzer like in the crease. Okay, and now I'm just using up the rest of my E.L.F eyeliner pencil. They're cruelty-free. I don't know about their ingredients though. I don't think they're the best, but I also don't know if they're the worst. So I just kind of like get underneath my lashes, and then I like to do a little bit of a wing. Okay, so sometimes I'm like pretty good at the wing, other days I'm not, and when I'm not, I just like smudge it out so that it looks like being messy is on purpose, but between you and me, it's not on purpose. It's just because I messed up. Last but not least, I put on mascara, and again, I'm still finishing up this E.L.F mascara, but it is pretty much done, and I really like the Pacifica mascaras. They're affordable and they're vegan and they have clean ingredients, so that's why I like those. But if you have any DIY mascara recipes, I would definitely be interested in that. I've tried making it once and didn't turn out well, which is why I continue to buy mascara. But if you have any like low waste, like maybe Etsy sellers, or even if you know of a brand that makes their mascara in like a tin or something that's a little better than plastic, let me know definitely, because I would 100% be interested in that. Another reason why I like the Pacifica mascaras is because the tubes are made out of recycled materials and the tubes are recyclable. I don't know if all mascara tubes are recyclable or if it's just theirs, but that's why I like them, and I might go back to that if I don't find like a good alternative. All right, so this is the finished look. So yeah, if you have any like natural beauty suggestions for me, or like DIYs that you really like any recipes that you find are really good, then definitely leave them down below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out my minimalist makeup collection after this video, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.